Hello everyone! It's another bright night for us to take another challenge, and for this video, I will be presenting to you my co-Ilonggo YouTubers. Yes, because I will be taking the Jojowain Totropahin challenge. So, I won't. Wait lang pala, gusto ko lang i-share. Last month, actually, I also took this challenge in one of the group pages that I'm a member to. That's Pinoy Big Vlogger. So, yun nga lang, every time I attempt to stalk my co-YouTubers, nagkaka-pimple ako. Actually, I just took this challenge last weekend. Etong sa mga kasama ko na Ilonggo YouTube content creators. Shout out there, no? Nung weekend, and just this, ano lang, you see there, buti na lang dito yung light. Meron pa light na ako, imagine. There's the pimple, nung ano lang siya, nung Wednesday, because Wednesday I started stalking my co-Ilonggo YouTubers. I don't know if it's true, pero for me, it's true eh. O nagkataon lang, di ba? Parang nakalimutan mo nang maghugas ng, ng face dahil gusto mo na lang mag-stalk. Ganun ba yun? I don't know actually. Well, anyway, it's 2 minutes down, so I think let's get started. I got 35 YouTubers to introduce to you, and if you wish to get to know them more, please do visit their channel and subscribe. Syempre, before you subscribe to their channel, mag-subscribe din kayo sa channel ko, ha? So, let's begin. Number 1, it's Andrey Castañares. Andrey Castañares, hindi ko pa siya na-meet, and in his description of his channel, I'm just doing what I love. Wow, diba? Parang nakakataba sa puso yung taong alam kung anong gusto niya. Pero, yung sabi ko kanina, hindi ko pa siya nakilala or na-meet in person, pero I checked his channel. He do covers. For me, it's nice to jam with him. So, totropahin ko siya. Next is Biboy Jaranilla. Biboy Jaranilla, hindi ko din siya nakilala pa in person. He's a freelance hair and makeup artist, aspiring Ilonggo vlogger, and a traveler. I watched his video na may pumunta siya ng Sikihor. Yun nga lang, I find traveling kasi magastos. Hindi ko alam. Unless it's free, then definitely you gotta enjoy it, diba? Pero if you gonna spend for it, yun lang. So, siguro totropahin ko siya. Kasi diba, pag ginawa mo, tapos wala kayong pera. Kung gusto nyo sana mag-travel, pero wala kayong pera. Ang sad naman nun. Next is Joaquin. He's my teddy bear. I've met him thrice, and he's one of the winners in my birthday celebration na Ruby-inspired surprise. So, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo sa aking channel, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away another McDonald's secret menu. So, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Subscribe na kayo. And for Christian, he is a freelance din na not a makeup artist, but he's a photographer and a videographer. I believe this channel serves as his portfolio. Honestly, gusto ko siyang jowain. Oo, kaso he's so workaholic. Ayokong mabiyuda agad. Unless you get to balance na hindi nyo masasacrifice yung health niya, then jowain it. This next is GK Apologista. GK Apologista, he's a vlogger, a gamer, and a basketball player. Hindi ko pa din siya nakita in person, pero hindi ako yung gamer. I have nothing against gamers, pero hindi ko pa kabisado paano kausapin ng isang gamer. So, ngayon, I believe I get to tropa here. Next is a father, it's Daddy. Nasa labas siya, nag-stay, and kung dito ako sa Philippines, kaya ko yung LDR, I believe so, since matagal-tagal na din tayong diba? Pero, yun nga lang, I don't find myself living abroad. So, totropahin ko si Daddy Tia. Next is our President, Hermz Journal. Jowa boy talaga si Prezi. Yun nga lang. Galit talaga. Oo na, sa mga subscriber ni Kuya Hermz. Tinropa niya tayo eh. Wala tayong magagawa. Mabait naman tayo, madali tayong kausap. So, kung tropa, di tropa ka din, kuya. Wow! So, yun. Pero honestly, jowable talaga siya. Before, push natin yan. Tropa na nga, di ba? Okay, tropa nga. Next is Ilonggo Dad. Ilonggo Dad, disclaimer pala, no? Hindi ko sinabi sa start. Nag-usap na din kami sa group chat and okay lang naman sila. So, let's assume that all of them are single. Ilonggo Dad is way older than me and I don't really mind older men kasi alam ko makibagay at makipag-usap sa mga tao of different ages. So, for Ilonggo Dad, siya yung pag nakita mo, tahimik. Pero once you get to know him and talk to him, ang super deep and marami kang matututunan sa kanya. So, if single si Ilonggo Dad, Jojowain ko siya. Next is Manalang. Na-meet ko siya nung first ko na event with IYCZ and he loves dancing and making videos for fun. Yes, nakachat ko din siya and he's a nice guy. Ang bait niya, nakakapag-reply siya agad. Tapos, ganda niya magkuha ng shots. Super Instagrammable pictures. So, diba? Ang galing yung may kasama kang body tapos picturean niya ka. Ay, feeling model. For me, Totropahin. Next is Jerhod TV. Jerhod TV. Tropa ko na to. Pero, hindi ko siya totropahin. Jojowain ko siya. Bakit? Cute ng dimple niya. Super. And he's a singer and a dancer. I admire dancers, singers, artists. Yeah, and I see his posting. I'm not sure if he's also sabihin ko sana drawer. Yan, so Jojowain ko si Papa Jerhod TV. Next is Jesreal Sanz. Mag-iisip pa ba tayo? Jojowain na natin, diba? Yung sa video nila, sabi niya, Jojowain niya. Jojowain na din. No, he's really a fun guy. I've met him during his birthday and I've seen how sincere he was during his message to his fans. At in his video, makikita mo talaga nag-enjoy siya and kasama niya yung father niya. You know, if you involve your family in your video, it means you have a very strong family relationship. And sino kaya yung ayaw ng gano'n, diba? Jojowain na natin. Next is Joelymar Vlogs. Joelymar Vlogs, I met him in my first event with the IYCC. And in his about page, nakasulat lang dito sa description, it's peace, power, and respect. Which also reflects in his personality when I saw him for the first time. Ang strong ng personality niya. So, I believe pag nagsama kami, baka magka-clash kami. Pero I don't know if we become friends and understand each other. Pwede siguro jowa. But for now, totropahin ko siya. Next is Joshnosebest. Joshnosebest is a seafarer and he's one of the influencers in college. Kaso, masyado ka kasing gwapo. Tingin ko, dami ako magiging kaaway pag ginowa kita. Kaya totropahin na lang kita para wala tayong problema, diba? Next is Joshua Palma. Joshua Palma is one of the first Ilonggo YouTubers na pinag-subscribean ko. And I love his videos kasi kasama niya yung mother niya. And nakakatuwa silang kasama. And ako, close din ako sa mother ko. I think we have the same relationship with our mothers. Yun nga lang, he's funny na pang tropa. Yung, you know, let's have fun. Tapos, you got Josh at your back. Ganon. So, totropahin natin si Jojowain. Next is Juan Paolo Perez. I've known Juan Paolo Perez for almost 11 years ko na siyang kilala. And, nahirapan ako. Hirap no, kasi kilala ko na. He's interested in fashion, skincare, music, technology, and basically anything and everything. Actually, gusto ko siyang jowain. Pero, based on the 11 years na kilala ko siya, I think and I believe we're good as tropa. Parang sinasaktan ko yung sarili ko. Yan, so totropahin ko siya. Next is Jung Rojas. Jung Rojas, ang kulit. Uy, may pa-sound effects, Jung. Sa'yo pa talaga ano no? Kidlat. ingat ako sa sasabihin ko. Yun ba yung gusto mong parating? No, he's a fun guy. Yun nga lang. Alam niya, pag may yun nga lang. He features parties. Hindi ako mahilig sa parties, yung mga night out. So, totropahin ko na lang siya. Yan. Next is, we have Casey Armada. Or kung mahilig kayo sa mga cinematic videos, subscribe kayo sa kanya. He is a professional videographer also and make videos for fun. His channel also serves as a sample platform ng kanyang mga works. No, and sino ba hindi gusto ng isang videographer at photographer, di ba? Parang every angle ang ganda-ganda mo. Kaya Jojowain ko siya. Ang dami na! Grabe! Next is Legendaryl Gaming and Pop Culture tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. I have nothing against them talaga. Pero for now, totropahin ko siya. He also makes music, travel, lifestyle. If mga gamers kayo, streamers, you make subscribe to Legendaryl Gaming and Pop Culture. Next in line is Leumel Renzo. Tinatanong pa ba yan? Jojowain na natin. He's one of my mentors when I started YouTube. Actually, nakilala niya na ang buong pamilya. Imagine! Pero nung panahong nalaman ko na may girlfriend na pala siya, just broke my heart. Kaya, Jojowain pa rin kita. Next is, we have Lexplorations PH. He's one of the funny and nice guys in our group chat, and recently I met him. Hindi nagkalayo yung expectation ko sa reality nung na-meet ko siya. He's also a filmmaker. He's an artist, a vlogger. He's funny. Yun nga lang, natahap zone niya ako eh. Alam mo yung tahap, yung you don't get to joke to a person because you look filler talaga eh. Kala ko may forever na. Pero maybe you got to change your mind. Jojowain kita. Pero for now, dahil sa sinabi mo, totropahin kita. Next is McWarren TV. McWarren TV. He's an Ilonggo YouTuber, 27 years old from the island of Guimaras. And magka-age pala kami. And I've seen his thumbnail, masyadong daring. Hindi ko medyo totropahin kita. Medyo daring eh. Daring na naman ako. Paminsan-minsan. Yeah, next is Mharc Joseph. Mharc Joseph, mahilig to siyang mag-crack ng mga hugot. Mag-crack ng hugot? Mahilig siya mag-hugot at gumawa ng prank. Medyo ako, pag mga nagpa-prank, naiinis ako. So, kaya totropahin kita. Inis lang. Pero hindi yung galit ka sa kanya, di ba? Magagalit ka sa kanya. Hindi gano'n. Medyo mainis lang, kaya totropahin kita. Next is Mike Ventures. Mike Ventures, hindi pa siya member ng IY. He just started his channel and he have videos on real talk, yung mga totoong pangyayari sa buhay, current news, and based on that, content and ganyan na personality, totropahin ko. Next is MISTERIO. MISTERIO PH is one of the YouTuber na mako-consider talaga na content creator, hindi siya vlogger na side kanya kasi hindi nyo siya nakikita. It's more on contents of mysteries and general information yun. You get to learn something from him. So, based on that, gusto ko siyang jowain. I want to learn. Kaya habang tumatanda ka, ang dami mo pa rin natututunan sa buhay at mga. And he is a teacher. I'm a proud daughter of both teachers. Next is Mr. Brian. Mr. Brian, nakasama ko siya sa trabaho at super kalog-kalog talaga. And for me, we have set a relationship na tropa. So, totropahin ko siya and he requested. Requested talaga. Pag may bago daw akong camera, gusto niyang i-unbox. And yun nga pala, hindi ako nakapag-share ng video last weekend kasi, you know, yes nga, may camera ako, but every weekend, I still use my phone and na-reformat siya. Nung na-reformat, hindi na nag-match yung editor ko sa aking phone. So, naghanap pa ako ng bagong editor. Thanks for Lexplorations PH for sharing the app. to me, telling me his ideas kung anong app yung pwede kong gamitin na for free. And yun, but still, I have to learn it. And hindi ko na-meet yung deadline ko na Sunday, so wala akong na-post. And yun nga, yung app, dahil sa editor at yung app ng mga intros ko, hindi ko na din siya ma-download kasi may bayad na. So, you better watch out for probably a little upgrade in my channel. I hope that excites you. Next is, akala nyo, tapos na tayo. Hindi pa. So, subscribe kayo muna, pahinga tayo. Pero kung ayaw nyo pa muna dahil dire-diretso tayo. Next is McWarren TV. He's a funny vlogger. Yeah, he's really funny. I talked to him over the chat. I haven't met him in person pa naman. Pero nakakatuwa siya. Pero yung tuwa niya, pang tropa. But I know he's single. Yun. Yun ay Brown. Hi there. Next is, we have Pedro Billones. Pedro Billones is a classmate of my sister. I get to know him way back in elementary. He's also a student of my mother. And ayun, currently he's a pastor. And diba, sino namang hindi gusto ng taong may takot sa Diyos tulad nga ng kaibigan ko na si Kat Saruta. Siya may pakanabat. Ako na-inspire na ipagpatuloy itong vlog na to. Ay, ganda-ganda ko nang mag-sing. Yan, so, Jojowain ko si Pedro Billones. Next in line is my partner, Raza. Every 15th day of the month, manood po kayo kasi we take challenge together. So, every 15th day of the month talaga yan. May bago kaming upload. So, kasama ko siya. Kung nagsasawa na kayo sa pagmumukha ko, na ako lang mag-isa, at least, diba, may gwapo kayong makikita kasama ko. And obviously, I gotta make Jowain. Yun nga lang. Minamanang zone niya ako eh. Pero kahit pa, habang single ka, Jojowain kita. Next is, we have Rem Samuel. Rem Samuel is also one of the first Ilonggo vloggers that I've met during my second naman na project with IYCC. Hindi ko siya na-imagine na masarap siyang kausap. Nagkasama kami nung pauwi na and parang ang gaan siyang kausap, ang gaan siyang kasama. So for now, I want to get to know him more. So totropahin ko siya. Siguro, if we get to know each other deeper, baka jowain ko na. Next is Shamcey Nichole. Sorry for that. Payak ako. Shamcey Nichole. He's one of the first Ilonggo vloggers na nakasama ko sa first project. Kaya pala ako na paramdam kasi yung tapusin natin si Shamcey Nichole. Kasi Shamcey Nichole, na-meet ko siya and he is one of the vloggers who entertained me kasi halos magkakilala sila. Tapos bago ako doon. So, isa siya sa nag-to-talk to me and of course, my friend, Iris Arboleda. She's a beauty vlogger. Yan si Iris. So, subscribe din kayo kay Iris, ha? Then, so, yun. I believe we formed a bond as tropa. So, totropahin ko si Shamcey Nichole. At yun na, kumukulog na naman. Huwag ka nang magalit. Eto na. Kasi naka-alphabetical dapat to eh. E na-skip yung pangalan niya. Kaya siguro si Ruben Glenn. Ruben Glenn, Jojowain kita. Okay ba? yung parang sa pelikula. Si Ruben, na-meet ko na siya in person once sa Conquest na event. Kasama ni Mike Ventures, dun ko din nakilala si Mike Ventures. Bakit ko siya Jojowain? Alam mo yung sa pelikula na pag may nakita ka, yung ka-love team, tapos nakaslow mo. Ganon. Yung sa kanya, nung na-meet ko siya in person, ang bilis ng pangyayari. Parang, oy, si Ruben yun? Diba? Tapos, nag-vlog eh. Hey, I was si Ruben Glenn. Subscribe. Tapos gumanon ako sa kanya. Hi, I'm being inspired. Subscribe. Sige, nice meeting you. Bye. Ganun na? Goodbye na? I want to bond with him more. Yan. dahil doon, Jojowain ko siya. Ang babaw eh, no? No, honestly, kasi kasama yan yung sister niya. Tukayo ko yung sister niya. Tapos, ang ganda ng bond. Kasi close din ako sa kapatid ko. So, you get to see how relationship sa family, pag maganda, diba? Nakakaganda. Siyempre, if they have a great bond with their family, if you have a family of your own with him, edi malamang magiging maganda din yung relationship ng family niyo na ibubuo. Next is Bj Escarilla. Bj Escarilla, nakasama ko siya sa second project ko din sa isang resort, and he's super handsome. Tulad din ni Josh, parang tingin ko marami akong magiging kaaway pag siya magiging jowa ko. Kaya totropahin ko siya. Next is Yuki. I'm a fan of him. I met him din sa Conquest. Grabe. He's a voice acting and comic dub artist. Edits well and how to make everything weird, cosplay, fun times, let's play, and many more. Yeah, it's kind of, yun nga, make things weird, sabi ganun. Weird nga, pero tingin ko masaya siyang kasama. Yung tropa mo na, yun, totropahin ko siya, di naman problema ka, tapos pagkasama mo siya, kakausapin ka, just to make you feel better and lighter yung maging problems nyo. So, totropahin ko siya. Next is, malapit na tayo, Val Rianne Billones. Val Rianne Billones is also a pastor, and he is the brother of Pedro Billones. Siyempre, ginawa na natin. Totropahin naman natin. Tropa si Kuya. Ayun. Next is Versatile Piano. Yun pala yun. Description niya, I just wanna make you happy. Diba? How sweet. Actually, nung first time kong nakita yung nagwagwapuhan talaga ako sa kanya. Kung si Ruben, parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. Nung nanood ako ng channel niya, parang tumigil yung lahat. I sound cheesy, but actually, talaga, ang gwapo niya. I don't know if it's just a makeup, pero tingin ko yung skin niya behind the makeup. Not like mine, diba?
One eternity later.
His skin, I think his skin behind the makeup is also nice. And he is a professional makeup artist. So, gusto ko siyang jowain. Like, honestly, gusto ko siyang jowain. Next is, we have Will Alvarez. Will Alvarez, he is an online influencer. Fresh. An online influencer way back 2014. Is a singer. And his channel is made for song covers, mga acoustic originals. Yun. So, diba? Sino ba naman hindi gusto na singer yung jowa mo? So, Jojowain natin siya. So, that's it for today. It's 35 Ilonggo YouTubers. I hope you get to know them all. And, ikaw. Alphabetical siya tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. At alam kong umaasa ka na nandyan ang pangalan mo sa listahan. Siyempre, wala dyan yung pangalan mo sa listahan kasi nandito ka na sa puso. Okay, let's have this last one. Alam ko 35, but I want to present to you the last and the one and only Zeefarer TV. Honestly, Jojowain natin siya. Nakatanong pa ba yan? Hindi, I've met him. Biglang sineryoso no? No, I met him twice. And siya yung isa sa mga vloggers na nakausap ko ng deeper. I don't know how to call na ng masinsinang usapan ka naman. I admire him for being, kasi may iba kasi na nagsasabi ng word of God, pero alam mong parang ini-insert lang. Yung sincerity was not there, pero pag nanood ka ng channel yan, nandun yung sincerity. Nakakapag-insert siya ng gospel, na alam mong parang free-flowing lang siya. Hindi siya pilit. So, ayun. So, Jojowain ko siya. So, So, yan. So, I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to visit their channel. Ililink ko sa baba yung kanilang channels. And before you subscribe to their channel, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo sa channel ko. And yun, thank you very much. Stay tuned on my next challenges. I upload events vlog every weekend. Every first day of the month, meron tayong talk show with special guests. Every 15th day of the month, meron tayong challenges na kinukuha together with Rap Braza. And random days, nagpo-post din ako ng mga artistic videos ko. I post films and other materials tulad nito ng challenge na ako lang ang gumagawa. Siyempre, yung challenge ko kasi na monthly, kasama ko si Rap. That's every 15th day of the month. So, random days, nagpo-post din ako ng mga challenge na I have 2 pending challenges. Yung refrigerator raid. Nag-ask na ako sa mother ko to do it. And gusto ko lang actually ma-on the spot kasi medyo nag-prepare siya na may laman yung ref na. Gusto ko lang on the spot. Ay, gusto ko mag-ref raid. Sige, ref raid tayo. Tapos, hindi mo alam, wala pa lang laman yung ref niya. Ganon. And I also have yung isang challenge din na pupunta daw sa market. Mamimili at magluluto. If you have other challenges, you can drop it below. You can comment it down below and I get to make it if I got time. Yun. So, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to be inspired.